6:45 in the morning, and we are driving to the boat launch to launch the boat. That's our guy in front of us in the truck with the boat. Water's over that way. My man Kevin driving. Season closer right here. This is it. December 11th, is it? December 11th. This is it. One last shot. Let's get it done. On the water. We made it out. And pretty much a snowstorm, whiteout conditions.
Doing a Facebook Live.
No. There's my man Chris right there. Kevin. Richie wound up going home. Snowstorm. Whatever. But we're doing it. Last shot.